I ran my Bitcoin algorithm on gold and it made money. Then I checked the actual backtest and realized I was completely wrong. 2 winning trades don't mean you found an edge. They mean you found noise. In this video, I'm going to show you why my Python logic and my MT5 code were giving me completely opposite results, and how a simple data mismatch could be nuking your trading account right now. If you want to build bots that actually survive live markets, hit subscribe right now, because we are fixing this today. Here's the context. My Triple EMA and ATR bot, which dominates on Bitcoin, recently hit 3 consecutive stop losses in a row. The market was chopping and the bot was getting stopped out. So, I did something crazy. I ran the exact same bot, designed purely for Bitcoin, on gold, an asset it was never built for, and look at this. It took 3 trades, 2 hit take profit, 1 hit stop loss. It looked incredibly profitable. I thought I had just discovered a gold mine. But here's the trap. When I ran a full backtest from January to June 2026 in MetaTrader 5, the reality hit. A net loss of minus $322, a profit factor of 0.95, a win rate of 33%. Why the massive difference? Because 102 trades isn't a strategy, it's a gamble. In quantitative finance, you need hundreds of trades to prove statistical significance. Compare this to our Bitcoin backtest, 949 trades, a 39.9% win rate, and a 1.20 profit factor. The gold backtest is just noise. But here is where it gets dangerous, because when I moved to Python to debug this, the bot suddenly became profitable again. I took the exact same Python logic we built in parts 1 to 4, and I fed it gold data downloaded from Yahoo Finance. The results completely shocked me. Python showed 44 trades, a 38% win rate, a profit factor of 1.24, and a net profit of $674. Wait a minute. MT5 showed a loss of $322. Python shows a profit of $674. The exact same bot, the exact same logic, completely opposite results. What is going on? Is my MQL5 code broken? I spent hours debugging until I realized the massive rookie mistake I was making. I was comparing gold futures to spot gold. Yahoo Finance gave me the GC equals F ticker, that is gold futures, traded on the COMEX exchange, but MT5 trades XAUUSD, that is spot gold, traded over the counter. Futures and spot are 2 completely different instruments. They have different prices, different liquidity, different trading hours, and different volatility patterns. Because the underlying data was different, the EMA crossovers happened at completely different times, resulting in completely different trades. This is a massive lesson. You cannot just copy-paste data from the internet and expect your MQL5 bot to perform. If you aren't validating your code against your broker's actual history, you are trading blind. So I went back into MT5, opened the history center, and exported the exact XAUUSD hourly candles that the strategy tester used. I fed that exact CSV file into Python. This time, the results converged. Python found roughly 100 trades, a win rate in the mid-30s, and a profit factor right around 0.95. The logic finally matched. Now, you might notice the numbers aren't a 100% decimal match because of data quality. MT5 strategy tester was running at 99% quality. This means it was using 1-minute data to simulate what happened inside every single hourly candle. Python only has the 1 hour open, high, low, and close. It doesn't know the exact path the price took inside that hour. But the trade count, the win rate, and the profit factor are nearly identical. This officially proves that my MQL5 code is a perfect 1-to-1 replica of my Python logic. No bugs, no drift. The code is solid. The data was the problem. So, what is the goal of this video? Two things. First, what works on Bitcoin might work on gold. But to prove that hypothesis, you cannot rely on 3 live trades. You must go back to Python, run a rigorous backtest, and ensure you have statistical significance. Second, is the bot dead on gold? Not at all. It just needs to be adapted to gold's specific market structure. Next week, I'm going to take this Python code and start optimizing and developing it specifically for gold. If you want to see how we actually fix this and build a profitable gold bot, you need to be subscribed. I don't want you to miss that video because we are going to dive deep into regime filters. If you want to run these tests yourself, you can get the Triple EMA and ATR bot completely for free. It will only cost you a subscription to the channel and a quick email. The link is in the description. We stop guessing and we start quantifying. Let's get to work.